It's been 50 years since the landmark Supreme Court decision of Loving versus Virginia, which struck down laws prohibiting interracial marriage. It's an issue that has affected at least 2 Maryland lawmakers, one of which shared her story with CTV News Today. Former Delegate Jolene Ivey says her white mother and black father had to live in D.C. when they were married in the 1950s rather than Maryland or Virginia because of laws against interracial marriage. It would be several years later before the U.S. Supreme Court struck down those laws.
She was a little southern, small-town Tennessee girl, white, and she met this handsome soldier, black, who was quite a bit older than she. Her father had to run her to the airport and put her on the next plane no matter where it was going because they were worried because relatives were coming to get the doctor in town who would commit her at their request. So they disowned her. And they lived in Northeast DC. When my parents divorced, my father is the one who raised us, who kept us, and we have visited my mother over the years. But I think that I look like a lot lighter than people expect a black person to look. I was raised, though, by a black man and a black woman in a black neighborhood.
Meantime, Delegate Al Carr's maternal great-grandparents were allowed to live legally in Ohio in 1910 as the state had repealed its law against interracial marriage back in the 1880s. And some